Will there be a second stimulus check? In this video, I'm going to break down both sides of the argument. So, let's get started. We've seen a bunch of proposals put out by Democrats. The Emergency Money for the People Act, free rent and mortgage, the ABC Act. In breaking news, we have a new proposal by Republican Mitt Romney called Patriot Pay, which would give essential workers up to $12 per hour in bonuses. On the two sides, we have the Democrats that want to give Americans guaranteed income, and the Republicans want to boost the economy by getting people back to work. Now, I'm going to go over 5 reasons why we won't get a second stimulus check, and then 7 reasons why we will get a second stimulus check. I want to give a quick shout out to Clearvalue Tax, Meet Kevin, and others. Some of their opinions are featured in this video. Okay, why we wouldn't get stimulus checks. Reason number 5. Concerns of debt accumulation. Mitch McConnell initially raised this concern, basically saying that piling on more and more debt is going to create more of a burden for future generations. And reason number 4 is worries about inflation. The argument that piling on more and more debt is going to lead to everything costing more. Number 3, there's already enough stimulus help out there. First, we had the $1,200 stimulus checks, then we have the PPP loans, unemployment benefits, EIDL loans, and grants. Reason number 2 is the push for reopening businesses. Ultimately, that's what's going to get the economy back up and running again. Number 1, Donald Trump doesn't like the idea. The president has a lot of power with formulating people's opinions. He prefers a payroll tax cut. However, the administration hasn't completely ruled out another stimulus payment. And here are the 7 reasons why we will get a stimulus check. And by the way, these aren't in any particular order. Number 7, no improvements on testing, tracking, vaccines, or treatments. If there continues to be a lack of data and research, people will need to stay in quarantine, which means there needs to be more stimulus. If people can't work, they'll need more money. Number 6, it doesn't really cost that much. The first round of stimulus checks cost about $300 billion, which sounds like a lot. But that's only 1% of what the current debt is right now. The Federal Reserve is about to bail out big corporations costing $500 billion. So $300 billion shouldn't be too much to ask. Number 5, many people only qualify for a stimulus check. They don't get any additional help from unemployment, PPP loans, EIDL loans. And the people who do qualify are still having trouble getting that money. Number 4, they've done it once, they can do it again. The point is, a second round should go a lot smoother. Now, I know at the making of this video that there are still tens of millions of people who have not received their first stimulus check. So, I recommend, if that's you, go to irs.gov to see what the status is. Number 3, interest rates are low, so the borrowing cost to take on more debt is low. Number 2, the Federal Reserve wants to keep money moving. The Fed basically has unlimited credit, so let's take advantage of that. And number 1, most Americans are saying that one stimulus check is not enough. If we're going to properly listen to the voices of the American people, there's going to be another stimulus check. I think we will get at least another $1,200 check at a minimum, especially if we have to stay in quarantine. But the bottom line is no one knows exactly what's going to happen. I'll keep you updated on everything stimulus, so make sure you subscribe and hit the like if you got any value from this video. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.